There's a surprise. You like surprises?
Yes.
Okay. Let's go. Let's
What is the
go.
surprise?
Come here. What are you looking for?
Where's the surprise?
Come here, be going. Let's go.
Yes.
What's iwájú?
Yes. Is that our car?
Yes.
Hi.
No
Did
wonder.
you say that? Did you see any white car? Did you see any white car? Yes, Tilka.
Are you happy? God has answered our prayers, have we? And guess what? It has another seat at the back. Oh, I will get plate number later. Time.
Say hi.
Show for.
So this is a white
your
car,
car.
and I have a white slippers.
That yesterday.
So do.
Comment down below if you like the
Okay, now that one,
slippers.
please.
Thank you so much.
I want to test the car. Our new baby. Don't close that. Yeah. Oh, yeah, come inside. So guys, yes, I'm going to try our new baby. Yeah. It's actually my first time driving since I left Nigeria. In fact, I think the last time I drove was early March. Yeah, before we left Nigeria. So I don't have a license yet. So I'm just driving around. I'm not going too far. I won't be going too far. I just want to, just match something. So let me just take you guys round. Not too far. We're not going far. I don't want to allow. Hey, you don't say. That's 10, man. Oh boy.
Make sure you hit the subscribe button and comment down below. Please.
Yeah. Are you guys happy? Should we go to Walmart?
Yes. Yes.
We should go to Walmart.
Yes.
Yes.
They see this children. Nobody Walmart. We're not going to any Walmart. We just take a stop. I'll stop for 3 seconds.
1, 2, 3.
1 minute should be.
Yeah.
What is
Oh.
it?
Ooh. Someone just put my morale.
Yeah, oh no. On your own. Going back home now. We are finished driving. So it's Thanksgiving today, and we are so grateful to God for everything, for life, for protection, for provision and everything. And what a good way to celebrate our fourth Canada Thanksgiving, if not with a brand new car like this. Is it easy? God is ever faithful. God has really been faithful. So we're celebrating Thanksgiving, and we're also celebrating our new car. Yeah, so and driving is sweet. I've missed it. Driving is so sweet. Let's go. Bring down this my earpiece for me. I've missed driving. No, driving is so sweet. I can't wait to get my license and start driving. Did you carry everything?
Yes, ma'am.
See you guys.
Bye. Wait, Adios, amigos.
So here's our Thanksgiving turkey. It's not easy to roast a whole full turkey. I was thinking it's normal chicken, and it's not easy. So we'll marinated, we've roasted the side, so we have to turn so it can be even. So guys, before I talk about Canada Thanksgiving, let me quickly talk about things to consider when buying a car here in Canada for the new immigrants. One, you need to consider the mileage. The higher the mileage, the lower the price. The lower the mileage, the higher the price. Yes, and also, what else? Another thing is I need to consider if the car is rebuilt, like if it's accidented. Yes, if it's accidented, I won't advise you go for it. Then another thing again you need to consider is the number of your family. Okay, like the car we got now, we are a family of five. So, and here in Canada, it's not like Nigeria where you park yourself, like you have like four people behind the driver seat. Like, okay, let's say in Nigeria you have like normal car, you have the driver, the passenger, the by the driver, and then four people behind. You can even have five people behind, but here in Canada, it's not like that though. It's the driver, one person at the right, three at the back, and that's it. So because we're a family of five, we had to put that into consideration. We didn't go for a five-seater car. We went for a seven-seater car just in case we have a visitor or a friend that wants to join us to somewhere. And those that are also considering to have more babies, yes, you should also consider that getting a seven-seater or eight-seater vehicle. Yeah, that's it. So that's it for the car. Then what else for the Thanksgiving? Okay, so I heard that, or I read that this Thanksgiving, it's actually like Canada Christmas, like it's their own Christmas, and it happens on the Monday. That's a weird thing, and it also happens. I think it happens. It comes up rather. It comes up every second Monday in October. That's when they have their Thanksgiving. Anyway, me and my family we are having two Thanksgiving. As in, like we are having two Christmas since this is their own Christmas, and we are Nigerian. We are really not that used to the system here like that. So we'll have our Thanksgiving, which is today, and we also have our normal Christmas Thanksgiving that are coincide there. So our turkey is ready. That's it for the Thanksgiving, and I also read that it's also one of the biggest celebration in Canada. Yeah, so that's why it's a big deal. Table sets for Thanksgiving.
Drum rolls. Drum rolls. Happy
Happy
Thanksgiving.
Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving.
So let's descend on our turkey now. So okay, before we start, before we descend on this turkey, what do you have to say, Kaito? What are you grateful to God for?
For the money and the car we bought.
Okay, you have to speak louder.
For the money and the car we bought.
Okay, Ebuka, what are you grateful to God for?
I am grateful to God for the gift of life.
That's good. Now, so you God.
I'm grateful to God for everything.
Speak up.
I'm grateful to God for everything He has done.
Okay, for everything He has done in our lives, Abby.
Yes.
So let's descend on this now. God has been faithful. We can't thank Him enough for all the grace He has given, all the graces. Oh yeah, we do. Happy Thanksgiving. Have you said that before?
Yes.
Happy
Again.
Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving. Yeah,
Me.
let's start now.
Me.
Yeah,
This is
start.
hard.
Eh? You can use your hand. Though.
My hand.
Don't worry, let me cut. Oops.
Delicious. Delicious.
Thanks for watching.
Don't forget to like, subscribe.
Don't forget to like and subscribe, and make sure you drop a big comment and share this video with your friends, family, and everyone. Thank you. Bye.
Joy.
It.